Now, NBC25 weather.
Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Ahmad Bajjey. We don't have a 6 o'clock show tonight, so I wanted to make sure you had all the weather info that you needed for the next 7 days, and it's going to be a roller coaster ride of conditions. So without further ado, let's take a look outside and see what's going on for tonight. 35 degrees for your low. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, so it's going to be windy. It's going to be cold. Winter does not want to let go of us just yet, even though we already got above 80. Just let us go. Let us head towards summer, please. Chance of rain early, but then it should calm down as we head into the overnight hours. 48 degrees for your high tomorrow. West-northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, so still windy. It's actually going to be picking up as we go to the north, but I'll show you that in a minute. Slight chance of rain early, and then it should calm down by the afternoon with mostly just some clouds throughout the afternoon hours, but still, it's going to be a little chilly, so bundle up. Into the Tri-Cities we go for tonight. Low of 35 degrees. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Windy and cold again. Chance of a sprinkle and actually a flurry. It depends on how close we get to that freezing mark. A snowflake or two is definitely not out of the question. It's going to be chilly. 46 degrees for your high tomorrow. Even colder, and it's going to get colder as we head to the north. West-northwest winds 15 to 22 miles per hour. Very windy. Hold on to that umbrella because there's going to be some rain and snow tomorrow. So if you head outside, make sure you have one of those to stay dry because of how cold it's going to be. I'm not looking forward to it. 32 degrees for your low overnight in the northern counties. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now a hard freeze is possible. Now if you remember last year, if you were in Michigan at this time, a hard freeze is what really caused a lot of damage to the apple and the cherry crops. Any of those fruit trees, those buds really took a heavy hit. So hopefully we don't get a real hard freeze and we can salvage any of those crops that we can as we head into Monday when we start to warm back up to normal. We'll see what happens though. 40 degrees for your high tomorrow. Very windy and cold. Make sure you cover up anything that you have in your garden so you don't get any frost on it. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles per hour. Again, very windy and very cold. Across the nation, down to the south, they're having a lot of storms actually experienced with a front that came through earlier, but we have just this little system right here. It's associated with a small cold front going to be moving through over the next couple days. That's what brings all that rain in over the next day or so. By Monday, we do have some sunshine, and that's all that clearing. Keep an eye on the model. Here's what I'm talking about. 11 o'clock tonight is when we start it. Cold front moves out of the way. I'll step out of the way as well. We do clear up, and there you go. Plenty of clearing for Monday. As we get into late Monday, that's when we have the next chance. A warm front's going to be pushing in a few clouds, but we don't expect anything until really on Wednesday when our next heavy chance of rain is. But Tuesday, there is a chance as well. 48 degrees and then 54. 62, and we jump up to 79 degrees on Wednesday. Look at that. We jump up real fast. 30% chance on Tuesday, and then after that, I held off the percentages. The reason why, the heat of the day later on in the afternoon can really affect the chances of rain and thunderstorms that we get. I'd hold it at about a 30 or 40% for every day, but Wednesday, really looking at a chance of storms because of how much heat we're getting. We have a little relief. We cooled off a little bit again as we head towards the end of the week, and then we're back to normal come weekend.